Guys, it's so windy here, but we're going to shoot with the Canon EOS R with the 35mm f1.8 and two Canon lenses. They are the 100mm f2.8 macro lens and the Zeiss 21mm ZE 2.8. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but it's looking like a great day. We'll see how the Canon stacks up and how I like it compared to my Sony and Nikon cameras. So this is the new camera I got.
Yeah? How is it?
It's decent. Like I spent like quite a lot of money on it. So the first set of pictures, this is with the Canon 35mm f1.8, the native RF version, and the pictures are quite nice. It's quite standard. We can get some environmental ones later. Yeah, you still got the look, which is nice. Looking at these pictures coming up, this is going to be using the Canon 100mm f2.8, and I just used an adapter, and the autofocus was actually quite quick, and surprisingly the sharpness was actually sharper than the native macro lens 35mm f1.8. That was a real surprise. Oh yes, that's the look I'm talking about. So what I'm doing here is, as you can see, the sun is in the back of the model, so that gives some nice highlights of the hair, and this is nice and standard. Again, 100mm f2.8. This one's a bit, this is a wide lens, so I need to be slightly closer. Here I'm using my Zeiss lens, and just whenever you use a Zeiss lens, it's just beautiful. The color just pops. Sharpness is great, even better than the 100mm f2.8 in my opinion, and I just love it. Manual focus on the Canon EOS R is so amazing. And just the last picture is the standard 35mm again. Overall, I really enjoyed my experience.